Today, I'm sharing something that has come up countless coaching sessions, and that is success. We all want it to achieve, but defining it can be, very tricky because it looks very different for each one of us. Is success hitting the career goal, building meaningful relationship, finding balance and happiness? Well, in this video, I'll be revealing 3 key steps that I've shared with my clients and that will help you master and become the best of yourself. I have worked with so many clients who come to me with a feeling of unsure, lost, don't know how to take the right step towards their goals. Have you ever felt this way before? Maybe you have set a New Year's resolution only to fall off the track in a month or two. In fact, nearly 80% of resolution fail by February. So don't worry, you're not alone. But here's the good news. Through my coaching experience, I have developed 3 powerful steps that will not only show you or help you to set your goals, but actually you will achieve it. By the end of this video, you will know how to start mastering your own path of success. The first step is to define your vision. The first step that I emphasize in every coaching session is defining vision. You cannot hit a target when you don't know where it is. So what does success look like for you? For some, it's climbing corporate ladder. For some, it's business success. Some, it is balancing work and family life. The key here is being specific. For example, instead of saying, I want to be healthier, my clients and I get specific. I want to work out 3 times in a week, or I want to run 5K by summer. These specific, measurable goals are keeping you focused and motivated. Get clear with what success looks like for you in your life and then write it down. The act of writing it down makes it real, and from there you can start mapping out on how to get there. Number 2 is to create a roadmap. Once my client have a clear vision, what we do the next is to creating a roadmap. A lot of people set big goals and then they get overwhelmed and then they don't know what to do. That's not okay at all. You couldn't start a road trip without a map, right? And the same goes for success. Break those big goals into smaller goals, that you can manage the steps. For example, I had a client who wanted to launch their own business. We didn't start with the launch of the business, by launching the business. Instead, we broke down into smaller steps. Research your market, draft a business plan, secure initial funding, have a backup. Each of these small actionable steps makes a larger goal feel achievable. And remember, it is not about perfection, it is about progress. Even small wins keep you moving forward towards your bigger picture. Step number 3, embracing mindfulness and self-care. We live in a world that glorifies hustles. But here's the thing, if you don't take care of yourself, you won't be able to take care of your goals. I've seen this with my client who burn out from pushing too hard. I always remind my clients to schedule a regular break and incorporate mindfulness practice, whether it's meditation, journaling, or just stepping out for a while. One of my clients who struggled with constant stress saw their productivity improve dramatically once they started to meditate just for 10 minutes a day. It's amazing what little self-care can do to your focus and your overall success. So here is the recap. The 3 steps that have helped my clients master their path to success are defining a clear vision, creating a roadmap with actionable steps, and embracing mindfulness and self-care. These aren't just strategies. They are lifestyle shift that leads to a long-term success. Remember, success isn't just about the end goal. It is about a journey and process and who you become along the way. I hope these steps give you the clarity and focus that you need to move forward. If you want to dive deeper into mastering your path, check out the Book of Life or join my course, and the links are below. And thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section, what does success mean to you? And let's support each other on this journey. Until next time, keep growing, keep striving, and keep believing in yourself.